Welcome back. Let's talk about SSIS package migration. In this particular demo video, I will be doing SSIS package migration from on-prem system to Azure, utilizing Azure File Share through the ADF Azure Data Factory. So I already have some SSIS packages on-prem. SSIS build like icepacks on-prem. So I have the virtual machine, and then with that virtual machine I have those SSIS packages. If I go to my virtual machine, in C drive I have this couple of icepack SSIS packages. So we are going to move these packages into Azure. So for that, what I need is basically I need to have Azure Data Factory as a tool, migration tool. In Azure Data Factory, with Azure Data Factory, I also need a storage account where we are going to store those SSIS packages. And once we have that done, I need to create the self-hosted integration runtime, which basically connect our on-prem to Azure. So the next step is creating the self-hosted integration runtime. Right. Once I create the self-hosted integration runtime, I should be able to create the link service to connect on-prem and Azure. So link service, two link service to create. One is for on-prem, connect to on-prem. Another is to connect Azure. So right here, step number 4, link service to connect the Azure. Step number 5, link service to connect on-prem environment. Once these step done, I will create the pipeline for copy data activity in Azure Data Factory to move the SSIS package from on-prem to Azure file location. So this is all we are going to demo in this particular video. So let's start with creating the storage account and file share at the beginning. Let me go to my portal, and then I'm gonna search storage account. I'm going to create new, and I will be using my subscription and resource group. I will be using that. Storage account is demo storage, only lowercase. So demo storage for SSIS migration. Okay, demo storage for SSIS migration. I'm gonna choose the reason. I'm gonna keep the same reason. I will be primary service. I do not need that. I will be performance. I'm gonna choose standard. Geo redundant. I can have the locally redundant for now. Can go to advanced. I do not need to enable public space. Data protection. I don't need to do anything much here, and then I can review and create. And then I will click on create. This will take a minute or two to create this storage account. Once the storage account is created, we'll be creating file share within. Like I said, the file share will be next. And then that file share will be bringing our SSIS packages, on-prem SSIS packages. Okay, storage is created. I'm going to go to the resource in this storage, and I can go to data storage. So this is what demo storage for SSIS I have created. So I'm going to go to the storage, and then I will be creating a file share within this storage. So I can click the file share, and then I'm going to click on plus, and then I'll give SSIS files, package files, right? I'm gonna just name those, and I will be choosing transaction optimize for access star. I will create review and create. Okay. The next I will be creating data factory. So data factory, since I already have the data factory created, I'll be utilizing some data factory just to save some time. So in order to see, if I go to the data factory here, I already have the data factory for SSIS package. I can open that data factory. If you do not have the data factory, you can create one from here. I'm going to launch that data factory here. Okay, this is Data Factory. What else? Now I will create self-hosted integration runtime. So self-hosted integration runtime. So basically, since we are we are creating the connection between on-prem environment with the Azure environment, I need this self-hosted integration runtime. So let me see if I have that already or not. You can check the another video. If I go to the manage and integration runtime, and actually I have self-hosted integration runtime, Azure SSIS runtime, and this runtime. So what I need to do, I can show you. I'm not gonna create fully, but you can check my other video if you are not sure how to create it. But let me quickly demo how we can do that. So if you it's very straightforward process. You just need to click on new if I want to create it, and you have an option. There is Azure SSIS integration runtime versus self-hosted runtime, right? So you just select this one, and then you click continue, and there is an option Azure versus self-hosted. You will be selecting self-hosted and click on continue, and then you are giving the name here, my self-hosted IR, let's say, and you can just click on create. So basically now what it's generated the key for us. What you need to do, you need to install this integration runtime, and then you just need to pair, you need to give this key to that folder. That is all you need to do. You need to install by clicking here. So if I click this, you're going to get to pop up the new window, and then you just need to click on download, and then you just choose the latest version, and then click on download. And once that download completed, you just need to install that integration runtime. Once install completed, you will be providing, they will ask to pair the key. So you are copying, click this link here, and then paste that link on that install integration runtime. With that, the integration runtime will be ready. So since I already created integration runtime, I'm not gonna do again here. So this is my self-hosted is not available here yet. So but my others Dilip IR self-hosted integration is already here in my data factory. So I'm going to utilize this integration runtime. Okay, the next step is I have to create the link service for Azure File Share, and link service for on-prem file share. So basically, utilizing that integration runtime, I will be creating a link service. So let me go here, the data factory itself, and go to again click on manage, and then above the integration runtime there is a link service. So when I click on link service, there is an option, or you can create the link service. I already have those two link service as well, so I can show you how to create the link service as well. So if you just click on new, and then you will be if you want to create, let's say we wanted to create link service for on-prem. So in on-prem environment, your data will be on file, right? So you need to create your link service. Give me 1 second. Using file system. So source will be in file system, destination will be file storage. So let me go back here. Oh, sorry. This here, so you will be choosing file storage. Let me file system. You will be choosing a file system. So the file system is you have to create a link server using file system in order to connect your on-prem data. So on-prem is your packages in on-prem file folder. So you will be creating file system. You just select this one and then click on next. So then you give the name. You will be choosing your integration service, self-hosted integration service, this one, and then you will be giving the file path here. So if you go back to your path, you can copy this, copy, and then if you come back here, and then you can paste your path here, and then you will be giving the username for your computer where your file is available, right? So for me, I'm gonna give my virtual machine username and password. So if I go here, then let me find my username for my virtual machine. So if I go to the virtual machine and click on here, and if I go, let me find, let me go to the help, let me click on reset this thing. This is my username actually, virtual machine username. So you basically you need you need your username for your where your file is in on your which computer or which server. You gotta provide your username and password. I'm gonna provide my virtual machine username and password. That I will be select the test connection, and once the test successfully connected, I can click on create. So this will create a file system connection manager, and I will be creating another connection string or link server to connect my Azure file, right? So to create the Azure, so I will be doing Azure file storage. I'm going to connecting Azure. I'm going to select the Azure file. I'm going to click on continue. I will be utilizing Self-Hosted Integration Runtime. I will be selecting my demo storage account, and then file share will be this, and then with that I just can create, or I can do the test connection and create. So basically with this I just created the Azure file storage and file storage for file system. So now what I have done is basically I have created link server. Next step is now the final and next step is actual migration through the copy data activity. So for that I'm gonna go to my author tab on ADF. This can be done through the Synapse Studio as well. We just need to create the pipeline. So I'm gonna click on plus and then create the pipeline. I'm gonna give the name as copy file, copy SSIS package from on-prem to Azure, right? So I can name just like this, and what I need to do is I will be doing copy data activity. I'll be copying the file. So basically let me name this as the same. Actually copy SSIS package from on-prem to Azure, right? So I need to configure source and destination. Now the source will be my SSIS packages. Let me create a new 1 second. Yeah, so the source again, I gotta set the data set. So data set and connection string is a little bit different. So I will be creating data set. Data set will be again our source data set is on a file system, on-prem file system, right? So I'm gonna select the file system, this one, and then click on continue. And the next is always the SSIS package is in XML format, right, or a binary format. Actually in this detect as a binary. So I'm gonna click on the binary here and then click on continue. So this is I can say the source SSIS. Then I can click the link service. So link service is file to connect as or I can choose it. These both are the same. So I'm going to click on this, and these already detect the path based on the link server. So I'm going to click on OK. So this is what my source will be, right? So I have just configured the source. Now for the sync I will be doing the same, and I will be doing Azure file storage as my source, and I'm going to choose the binary again. Click on destination. I'm going to choose destination as I'm going to choose connecting the file storage, right? So and this will be our destination file storage for SSIS package that we have created in at the beginning on file storage. So if I go back the home, and then if I go to the storage account, this storage account we created, right? So this storage account that we are talking about. So let me go back here again and click on OK. And I think this is pretty much all. You don't need to do anything else. So next you will be running these packages, this pipeline. So in order to run this pipeline, I can do the quick validation. This pipeline has been validated, and I can run this package like trigger now, or you can schedule this, or you can trigger it. Pipeline is not fun because please publish first. So I have to publish before I run it. So click on published here, and then it's going to published. Without publishing, you can run the package. Okay, I think the publish has been completed. No, it's still publishing. Publish just completed. Now I can run this trigger, run this package. I'm gonna click on OK. Files are running, packages running, so I can monitor the job if I go to the monitor section, and then it will detect a runtime, integration runtime, or data flow, or pipeline right here. So it's already, it says run successfully 307. This is the package that I can monitor is successfully completed. If I go back to my author tab and go to the pipeline, and this is where we configure source and destination. So if I go now on my my storage account, and if I go to my file share, this file share, and then click on browse, my SSIS package is just copied over here. Package has been copied over here from this packages, package 123. Right. So this is what I wanted to cover as a part of the SSIS package migration from on-prem to Azure in this video. What I have done here, was basically we copied SSIS package from on-prem to Azure File Share location. With that, we created Data Factory, Storage Account, Self-Hosted Runtime, and Link services. Once that's done, we'll do the copy activity for SSIS package movement. And this is all I want to share in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.